Hi, Arizona families. My name is Skip. I'm the general manager of sales at Shasta Pools. And we want to make sure you know about our 3 design centers that you could come and visit in person or virtually through an online meeting. But let us show you some of the highlights that we have that you'll see when you come in. So this room is when the look and the feel of the pool really starts to come together for families. It's very interactive. Pull the tile off the wall, and the tile is the trim just around the inside of the pool. Different decking samples and options. There's also hardscape options where you can choose from different natural stones. Interior. What's great is we have put different colors of water and their interior name on our website, so you could actually see the dry sample, but then a complimentary picture of a pool right next to it, so you know what that's going to look like.